Apple may completely abandon LCD technology next year in favor of OLED for all of its new iPhone SE2s, Kuo said in the same note. That would be important because over the past 2 years, Apple has equipped its cheapest new iPhones, such as the iPhone 11 and iPhone XR, with an LCD screen. OLEDs offer better contrast and deeper blacks than LCDs, but they are more expensive. Apple introduced the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pro models this September, but there is plenty of insider information on the new iPhone SE2 coming out in 2020. 5G support. Apple is expected to provide 5G support for all of its flagship iPhone SE2 in 2020, according to analyst Min-Chi Kuo, who has already made quite accurate predictions about future Apple products. He initially said that only 2 of Apple's 2020 smartphones would be compatible with 5G networks, but changed his forecast in a later report.